Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Amazon account name on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course I'm going to open my Amazon. And now if you want to change for the name, go ahead to your profile here at the bottom. After, just tap on your account here at the top, tap on it. Now go ahead to this view options. If you want to change your name, just tap on this pencil icon. This is my name on Amazon, yeah guys. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it like this. You have to remove it, and now just create your new account name. After, tap on continue. And for my Amazon account names is already changed, guys, from Amel to Melia. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.